Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 2. I'm gonna get myself together. Y'all don't come for me in the comments, but yeah, I fell asleep last night because I was so tired after coming from my sister side of town. Don't mind the mess in the background. We're gonna clean up today. Today is gonna be a cleanup day. I got this thing on because I'm about to cook breakfast. Actually, I got this little thing. I do not know what this thing is called. We'll get. I don't know who she is. Who she think she is? She already ate breakfast. She wanted to make her some breakfast. Anyway, I am about to make breakfast and I turned this little thing on to clean it, but I can't clean it because I turned it on and it's so hot. I'm gonna try. I turned it on so I can melt the oil because people normally just make bacon on here. But we're gonna see if we can. We're gonna see if we can clean it. OMG, OMG. This is how I clean this thing. I like to turn it back on. Like, especially if it's just, because we normally just make breakfast food on here and like, what's this called? Ground beef for the most part. But yeah. I'm about to cook breakfast for Vlogmas day 2. I don't know, I was watching vlogs this morning and like posting my vlog, and if y'all haven't seen it, you know, check it out. Check out Vlogmas day 1 because it's up and posted. And I was watching people vlogs and I was like, dang, everybody doing different stuff. It ain't the same no more. I'm so used to watching De'Ara and Ken vlogs, and you know, that's my inspiration, De'Ara and Ken vlogs. But yeah, they're not posting this year. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. But I'm about to cook breakfast real quick. And these flour tortillas making me think I should make breakfast tacos. Let's see what we gonna come up with. Guys, I got all my ingredients. Don't mind the dishes. They were done, but I don't know what happened. I'm gonna do a breakfast taco with just meat, cheese, and eggs. I'm gonna put some pico de gallo in it. Everything is from H-E-B. H-E-B sponsor me, okay? I'm just saying. I'm recording. Pico de gallo, this medium. We got the flour tortillas. We're gonna put some avocado and some smoked sausage. Some queso, baby. We got the Mexican blend and some mozzarella with some egg. We got some onion and bell pepper. And I'm gonna season it real simple. Just some complete seasoning pepper. The rest of this pepper, whatever that's in there. But yeah, let's get started.
Feelings on safely, so I don't go shooting away your heartbeat. Cause you take the bullet trying to play me, and even if you do, how you made me. You got a whole lot of love and trying to waste it. You got me running around but never chase it. You feel so pretty to me, make I can make it. You feel so pretty to me, make I can make it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, and I keep on hitting it on. Could be the perfect can hit it for ya. Baby girl, your love got me tripping on ya. You know my love is big enough, got you tripping on me. Yeah, it's big enough, got you tripping on me. Tripping on me. My back's so bad for you tripping on me. Tripping on me. My back's so bad for you tripping on me. Tripping on me. It ain't cool how you be playing. I'm not on dick, keep waiting. Feeling switch up too much, girl, it's confusing. Cause you tell me we're friends, then the next time I'm a friend with a man. I don't put in work, mess up, came back again. Now jumped in a plane. I don't need a pad or a pen to say how I feel. I think about life is so pretty to me, make I can make it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, and I keep on hitting it on. Could be the perfect container for ya. Baby girl, your love got me tripping on ya. And my love is big enough, got you tripping on me. Yeah, it's big enough, got you tripping on me. Tripping on me. My body's so bad for you, tripping on me. Tripping on me.
Y'all get into it. Breakfast tacos.